This video is on IR spectroscopy. All bonds in chemical compounds are constantly stretching and contracting non-stop. This stretching uses up energy, and light happens to be at the same wavelength and therefore is absorbed by this stretching. What it gives us is a spectrum when we shine IR light onto a molecule where certain wavelengths get absorbed, and these wavelengths correspond to specific bonds in specific functional groups. So a spectrum you might see from IR spectroscopy may look like this, where we have the wavelengths along the bottom and transmittance of light along the left. These dips are implying that more light is being absorbed at these specific wavelengths. For example, a big broad peak around 3500 implies there is a OH bond, saying an alcohol is present, for example. Or maybe it's a sharp peak at 1600, which is indicating the presence of a carbonyl. Either way, the more you see these, the more you'll start recognizing patterns, but if not, use a cheat sheet and recognize what functional groups are present.